In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. Whether you want to remove a single saved password or clear multiple saved logins, Chrome makes it easy to manage your saved credentials. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Autofill and Passwords, then select Google Password Manager. To delete a specific saved password, find the website or account you want to remove and click on it. You may be asked to verify your identity using your computer's password, PIN, or fingerprint. Once the password details open, click Delete to remove the saved login from Google Password Manager. If you want to remove multiple saved passwords, repeat the same steps for each account you want to delete. To remove all saved passwords at once, go back to Settings, click Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. Open the Advanced tab, choose your preferred time range, check passwords and other sign-in data, then click Delete Data. That's how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.